Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.